had a Cobb salad today. Also got some onion rings. I haven't had onion rings in a long time. And of course, blue cheese dressing. I love a Cobb salad. I was gonna make one myself, but these are actually, there's a lot to them. I just ordered it. We got trunk or treat tonight too, so we're kind of on like a time crunch. Ooh. This is from Bogey's Public House in Auburn. Try some onion rings and ranch. Those are good. Oh, I love onion rings. You know which onion rings I really want to try? Portillo's. And that cheese sauce. I wish I was closer. We don't have anything like that here. I need some more blue cheese. And I'm not gonna lie, I did get a club sandwich for later. I don't know what's my favorite part. The blue cheese, the egg, the salad, the blue dressing, the avocado, or the onion rings.